everyone. My name is Shadan Seraj and I'm currently doing an internship at LEXIS and Company. So today we're going to discuss about campus violence. Campus violence can be in the form of sexual harassment, ragging, caste or political fights which often results in death or serious injury. Educational institutions which are supposed to enlighten students on social vices and enrich their knowledge and morality have been struggling to curb the menace of campus violence. The socio-political landscape of India further contributes to the factors instigating campus violence. Campus violence can be of different types, such as caste clashes. Caste discrimination and violence is deeply rooted in the Indian society, whose manifestations are seen in college campuses, especially those situated in rural and suburban areas. Caste violence can either manifest as ragging and harassment of targeted students or as full-fledged armed clashes amongst students. The constant harassment of Dr. Payal Tadvi, who belonged to a scheduled tribe, by her seniors resulted in her killing herself, is one such example. The 2008 armed clash between two caste groups in Tamil Nadu, Dr. Ambedkar Law University, is one of the wildest in the history of campus violence. Political clashes. India is a politically aware country with its youth actively participating in political activities. As Justice V. R. Krishna Iyer puts it, to banish politics for an 18-year-old student is to deny him the fundamental opportunity to becoming a good citizen to vote. However, with the increasing instances of politically motivated assaults and murders by the students, we are forced to reconsider banning political activities inside campuses. Kerala, where the student politics is an integral part of the campus life, is seeing increased intolerance and violence perpetrated by the student politicians. Ragging, which started as a friendly, harmless icebreaker between juniors and seniors, gradually turned into an abusive, inhuman practice of seniors establishing their dominance over their juniors, using humiliating, verbally and physically abusive activities such as stripping, punching, etc. Students have either been brutally killed in the name of ragging or forced to commit suicide to escape the humiliation. The UGC regulations on curbing the menace of ragging in higher educational institutions 2019 have provided specific legislation prohibiting and criminalizing ragging. As per UGC regulations, every university should constitute an anti-ragging committee and every student at the time of admission should submit an affidavit stating that he will not participate in any kind of ragging activity, and also the institution should publish the names and contact numbers of the anti-ragging committee members. Sexual harassment. Due to the societal attitude towards sexual harassment, victims hesitate to come forward to complain against their harassers, especially if it is of fiduciary nature like a student-teacher relationship. Sexual harassment on the campus is a widespread issue, further complicated by societal taboos. The UGC Regulations 2015 lays down the responsibilities of educational institutions in preventing sexual harassment in their campuses. Most of the educators and educational researchers and practitioners would agree that campus violence arises from a layering of causes and risk factors that include cyber abuse, alcohol abuse, and other substance abuses that have contributed hugely to the increase in crime rates. Most students who have been involved in sexual assault cases have reported that they are under influence of alcohol and other substance abuse to perpetrate these crimes. Theft and burglary crimes are rampant in the college hostels during the deserted times. These are the times when most of the students are in their classes. On the other hand, most sexual assault crimes are committed in private, isolated places inside the college or outside the college campuses. Apart from the above-mentioned causes, there are several reasons for the rise of campus violence. The government enforces the Clergy Act and Title IX upon the university in hope to control and reduce the amount of violence committed on campus and raise legal awareness. Universities and practitioners also develop multiple tiers of prevention methods and programs in hope to stop the increasing rate of campus violence. They set up remedial programs and supportive services that target post-trauma counseling, protection, medical care, etc. to help relieve the consequences and effects those violent effects have on the students. Efforts put together towards educating faculty, staff, administrators, and students about campus violence and prevention and raising awareness of the concurrent issue have also been exerted and come into the form of existing courses in universities, including the fields of sociology, psychology, criminology, and women's studies. Most campus crimes are committed within the college vicinity. College administrators have confirmed that campus crimes are perpetrated within their colleges and their neighboring communities. There are several incidents relating to campus violence in India. On 27th October 2007, Hindu right-wing students killed a police officer during a student clash inside the NSS Hindu College in Kerala. The officer was hit by a wooden plank by the students. In July 2018, an Islamist student leader stabbed and killed a communist student leader in Maharajas College, Kochi, Kerala. The incident took place when the two groups of students had a quarrel about displaying posters inside the campus. In March 2018, communist student activists attacked the residence of the principal and the MES Assambi College, Kerala, and wounded the principal seriously. The attackers were not arrested because they immediately escaped to some foreign country. On January 5th, 2020, in the evening, a masked mob with iron rods attacked campus of Jawaharlal Nehru University and injured students and teachers. In conclusion, college administrators have the ultimate responsibility in ensuring that college-related crimes are reduced. They should provide appropriate security within all campuses. Similarly, all colleges must ensure that their security systems function effectively. In doing so, safety performance would be enhanced. Equally, college safety departments should provide appropriate training to their security officers to reduce conflicts between them and the students. In addition, college administrators should work collectively with the new law enforcers in identifying criminal students in and within their campuses. Thank you.